How do we reference a web page? Maybe you picked up an article from a website and you need to reference it. It's quite simple using the Quillbot reference. So you just search free citation generation using Quillbot reference, and it's going to open up to Citation Generator. The website is under Quillbot. So you can see we have website link here. I'm going to use Birds in Kenya. So for this, I'm just going down to look for a link. It's going to guide us. You can just click any link from any website and it's going to generate a free citation. So you copy the link, after which you paste, click cite. So you can see Birds in Kenya, the person is named under. We can try another website. We can try something else. Best cars. Best cars used in Kenya. So you just copy that link and paste it. It's going to generate your quick website, best used car in Kenya. So it's that quite simple. And you can just check to confirm article was written on 2023. So it's quite simple. We're going just to copy them. But also we're going to try a journal. Health. So we can just click search or site and it will just automatically generate all health related articles. So you can just pick any from this. Another thing, we are going to try a book. So you can search health and cycling and the association. So I may type and cycling. Nice. So from here, the article will suggest you the best books for your searching. Also, we can do a video reference. Is a quick one. So we can just go direct to YouTube and maybe consider going to World War. So this is YouTube. You can just click World War, specifically World War II. So we can click the second YouTube video. So from here, you can just pause the video and check her. So we are going to reference this. So just copy the header of the video and paste it on the title. The site that you are referencing the video, that is YouTube. The contributor is going to open up. So we just go to copy the title again and paste it here. The initial, we don't have initial, the first name and the last name, the contributor. So, but we have the dates with us. So we're going just to copy the date, 5 of October 2018. And we just select 2018, just to be sure. This is 5. So we just go back, copy the YouTube link, and finally paste it here, then site. You can see the citation is generated, even the intake citation, the year, automatically. That's the best way to cite and reference. So thank you.